What's in your house? Let's find out. A to Z. A for armchair, soft and wide. B for bed, where we sleep and hide. C for clock, that tells the time. D for door, open to chime. E for egg, in the kitchen tray. F for fan, on a hot sunny day. G for glass, to drink up juice. H for hanger, for shirts and suits. I for iron, makes clothes neat. J for jar, with snacks or treat. K for kettle, boils water fast. L for lamp, a light that lasts. M for mirror, shows your face. N for napkin, clean and in place. O for oven, where cookies bake. P for pillow, soft when we wake. Q for quilt, keeps us warm. R for rug, on the floor like a charm. S for sofa, sit and relax. T for table, for meals and snacks. U for umbrella, near the door. V for vase, with flowers we adore. W for window, look outside. X for Xbox, for games and pride. Y for yarn, in a knitting ball. Z for zipper, on jackets in the hall. Please like, share, and subscribe. Little Flowering Buds, as it motivates us to make even better educational content. Thank you. Bye-bye.